YouTube, thanks for checking out our videos. Today we're going to explain what the operating system is and how to upgrade to Windows 10 on your computer. Before we get started, if you like our videos, please support us by doing what people on YouTube do best. Like, subscribe, and share. The operating system is the software that communicates with the hardware of the computer and allows all the programs to work. The most common operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Your phone also has an operating system, like Android, iOS, or Windows Phone. The operating system comes built into your computer and does not have to be purchased unless you're getting the professional or enterprise version of the operating system. Scammers love to use the "your Windows license has expired and you have to renew it" excuse to try to scam you out of money, but it's just a scam. Your operating system does not need to be renewed. The operating system does, however, regularly receive patches or updates in order to keep your computer running well and make sure that known vulnerabilities are taken care of. However, eventually an operating system will reach end of life, which means that it doesn't get any more updates or security patches. When this happens, you'll need to upgrade to a version that is still receiving updates. If you have a Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 8.1 computer, you can actually upgrade to Windows 10 for free. First, you're going to check to make sure that your computer meets the Windows 10 requirements seen here on the screen. Once you've made sure that the computer meets the requirements, head over to the Windows 10 Installation Media Creation site and download the Windows 10 Installation Media Tool by clicking Download Tool Now. While it's downloading, be sure to back up all your important files and documents to a flash drive or a different hard drive. This is only a precautionary measure, as upgrading will preserve all of your programs and files, but there's always a small chance something might go wrong, and you don't want to lose your data if that does happen. Once your important files are backed up, launch the Media Creation tool and accept the agreement. Click Upgrade this PC now if you're on the computer you want to upgrade, or select Create Installation Media if you want to put it on a USB drive to use later. Click Next, and the tool will begin downloading Windows 10 onto your computer. This will take a while, but eventually you'll be able to click Install to install Windows 10. During the installation, the screen will turn blue and will reboot multiple times. Do not turn off your computer while it's doing this. The privacy options screen will eventually come up. Uncheck the ones you don't want to apply to you, and then click Accept. Congratulations! Your computer has now been upgraded to Windows 10. You can see that all of the programs and software are the same and work just like they did before. Speaking of programs, let's talk about a few of the more common ones. Outlook is a mail program, part of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office includes programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Microsoft Office is a program that has to be paid for, and if your computer has to be factory reset or restored, you will have to reinstall it to use it again. The good news is that if your computer crashes and you lose all of your programs, they can be reinstalled. Outlook, the program, pulls your mail messages from your mailbox online and puts them in a convenient place for you. And if you have to uninstall the program, you don't lose your emails. They're all still found online. So when you reinstall Outlook, you can add your email account back and all of your emails will still be right there. Outlook shouldn't be used for file storage, however, as if your Outlook file gets too big, it can cause performance issues on your computer and slow it down. If there's a particular thing you'd like to learn about your computer, leave a comment below for a video suggestion. Once again, don't forget to show your support and subscribe so you can catch all our upcoming videos. This is a Better Tech LLC. Until next time!